So once someone fills out the order form, they put their credit card information and they click buy, you will get the monies to your payment processing platform. As I mentioned, I use Stripe, but you could use Square. There's a lot of other ones out there. Just Google it. And then they will immediately be brought to the order confirmation page. So I want to go into detail with this page real quick. If I click edit page, it'll bring me here and it looks something like this. It's a really small page and it looks like what you would expect it to look like, right? It says, thank you, your order is complete. You can add some details here or last minute reminders. For example, if you're selling an info product or an online course, you may give them some instructions on what to do once they click this link, which will bring them to the online course, right? So you may tell them, hey, make sure to click the link below. It will bring you to the online course. Also, sign up for my private Facebook mastermind group, or once you get to the online course, make sure to do XYZ to access it. Watch out for this email, create a password, or whatever it is. If you're selling a physical product, then likely this will look a little bit different for you, and you could just send them a tracking number at a later point in time, or whatever you want to do. Here's some links to social media. It's always good and important to grow your social media, and this is a very passive way to do it. You want to catch these people anytime you can. The bigger your social media presence, the more credible you'll look if someone ever looks you up before purchasing from you. And that's pretty much it. This is a very straightforward section. I'll see you in the next video.